Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing the trigger on your Rowenta appliance. This task is straightforward, but it does require some attention to detail. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a cleaning brush. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your screws and parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Rowenta appliance. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's disconnected from power before starting any repairs. Now, flip the appliance over to access the bottom where the screws are located. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the casing. Keep these screws in a small container to prevent losing them. It's essential to note that some screws may be hidden under labels or rubber feet, so check thoroughly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to clean the inside of the appliance with your cleaning brush. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Next, locate the trigger mechanism. This part is typically connected to a spring and several small components. Carefully detach the old trigger by unscrewing any screws or unclipping it from its connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you find that the trigger is particularly stubborn, you might want to consider professional diagnosis without obligation. Our expert technicians can assess any underlying issues that could be affecting your appliance, ensuring you make an informed decision. After removing the old trigger, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any future malfunctions. Before reassembling the casing, double-check that the trigger moves smoothly. If you don't have the tools for this repair or prefer not to tackle it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls and no travel, making it convenient for you. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the casing by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws, ensuring they are securely fastened but avoid over-tightening. Finally, plug in your appliance and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly without any issues. If you encounter any problems, it's wise to get a quote before repair to understand any further steps that may be necessary. And that's it. You've successfully changed the trigger on your Rowenta appliance. This repair not only extends the life of your appliance but also enhances its performance. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.